Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn about our amazing body parts. Are you ready to discover all the wonderful things our bodies can do? Let's divine. 1. Our eyes are like magic windows that help us see the world around us. They have two special parts called the iris and the cornea. The iris is like a superhero that controls how much light enters our eyes, while the cornea helps focus that light onto a special part inside called the retina. Oh, and don't forget to blink. It's like a little cleaning crew that keeps our eyes fresh and helps us see even better. 2. Nose. The nose is our trusty sidekick that helps us breathe and smell all the yummy things around us. It's made up of three main parts: the bridge, the tip, and the nostrils. Inside our nose, there are tiny passages that help carry air to our lungs, making sure we can breathe easy. 3. Face. Our face is like our very own superhero headquarters. It's where all the action happens: seeing, hearing, smelling, and tasting. Our face has 5 main parts: the nose, the mouth, the ears, the forehead, and the cheeks. It's also the part of our body that everyone recognizes us by. That's why it's sometimes called our signature. 4. Hair. Hair is like our crowning glory, and each one of us has our own unique style. It's made of a special protein and grows from little pockets in our skin called follicles. There are 2 parts to our hair: the shaft, which is the part we see, and the root, which is hidden beneath our skin. Hair can be long, short, curly, or straight. It's all part of what makes us special. 5. Teeth. Our teeth are like little helpers that make sure we can enjoy all our favorite foods. They're small but mighty, helping us chew and swallow our meals with ease. We have a total of 32 teeth, divided into 2 groups: the front teeth, which help us bite into things, and the back teeth, which help us grind and chew. It's important to take good care of our teeth by brushing them twice a day. That way, they'll stay strong and healthy for a long time. And there you have it, kids. Our incredible body parts are always working hard to help us explore, learn, and enjoy life to the fullest. So let's give them a big thank you and remember to take good care of them every single day. Until next time, keep smiling and exploring.